Hello students, today we are going to start Standard 5th, Subject Maths, Chapter number 5, Fraction. Problem set 17. Question number 1, write the proper number in the box. Here two fraction is given to you and one fraction is incomplete and we have to find the second fraction. How we will find? First thing what you have to remember, when first fraction is smaller, then you will do multiplication. Okay, like in 2 table 20 goes, how much are 2 tens are 20. That's why I have written here 2 tens are 20. Same thing, the rule is what, when we write in denominator into 20, the same thing numerator will be into 10, sorry. So 2 tens are 20, which already they have given you, and 1 tens are 10. So this is the answer, 10. Same way we will do the second one also. Here first fraction is smaller and the second fraction is bigger. So again we will do multiplication. Now here in 3 table 15 come. Yes, how much are 3 5s are 15. So here I have written 3 5s are 15, and the same way into 5 in the denominator also. So 3 5s are 15 and 4 5s are 20. Same way the third we will see 9 upon 11 and second fraction is incomplete. So in 9 table 18 come. How much are 9 2s are 18. So 9 2s are 18 and 11 2s are 22. See the fourth one, 10 upon 40 and here 8. This incomplete is their second fraction. Now in this case the first fraction is bigger and the second fraction is smaller. When the first fraction is bigger, you will do the division. Okay, so here I have done the division, but in 8 table 40 how much comes, how much that is 8 5s are 40, which I have write here divide by 5. So same way in numerator also I will write divided by 5. Now 5 2s are 10. So that's why I have written here 2. You can divide and write also. Now the fifth one, 14 upon 26 and second fraction is incomplete. Again the first fraction is bigger, that means you will do divide. So here 14 divided by 2 I have written and 26 divided by 2. That has given you 7. The same thing here also. Now in this what they have done, in first fraction only it is incomplete and second fraction they have given you. So how you will justify? You can see in 3 table 6 go, right? How much are 3 2s are 6. So here you will done the division sign, divided by 2 and 3. Here also divided by 2, that will give you 2. Same way seventh one, again here the first fraction is incomplete and another fraction is 4 upon 20 they have given. Now again you will do the divide of this, like 4 divided by 4, that will give you 1. Same here, divided by 4, 4 5s are 20, like this. Now see the 8th one, again the first fraction is incomplete and second fraction is 10 upon 25. Now with the help of second fraction you will solve the first fraction. Now here 5 and 25, in 5 table 25 come, how much are 5s are. So that's why I have written here divide by 5. So that has given you 5, and same thing in the numerator also divided by 5. So 5 2s are 10. That's why I have written here 10. Now question number 2. Find an equivalent fraction with denominator 18 for each of the following fractions. Now in this you have to make denominator 18 with the help of first fraction. Like here they have given you 1 upon 2. So what you will do with 2, then you will get 18. So in 2 table 18 come, how much are 2 9s are 18. So that's why I have written here 2 9s are, and the same thing I have done in numerator also into 9. So 1 9s are 9 and 2 9s are 18. Like this we get the denominator 18. So in the question they have already told you denominator 18 should be there. So same thing I will do in 2 upon 3 also. In 3's table we will see 18 when come, like 3 6 are 18 here, and the same thing into 6, 2 6 are 12. Now the denominator has become 18. Now see the third one, 4 by 6. In 6 table 18 how much are? 6 3s are 18, and again here 4 3s are 12. Now 2 upon 9. Now in 9 table how much are 18? 9 2s are 18, and 2 2s are 4. 7 upon 9. Now in 9 table again 9 2s are 18, and same thing here 2, which we have written in numerator also we will write 2 into 2. 7 2s are 14. See the sixth one last, 5 upon 3. Now in 3 table 18 come, how much are? 3 6 are 18, and 5 6 are 30. Like this you have to complete this question number 2. Now we will see question number 3. Find an equivalent fraction with denominator 5 for each of the following fraction. Now in this you have to make denominator 5, which we have done in question number 2. We have to see that we have to make denominator 18. So here also we will make denominator 5. Now here the first fraction is given to you, that is 6 upon 15. Now this is bigger number and the 5 is smaller. So what you will do? You will divide and see. Here we have done the multiplication. Here we will do divide. Now 15 divided by 3. That means in which table 15 comes? Like in 3 table. So I have written here 3 5s are 15. Here 5 and here 3 2s are 6. Like this you have to do. Now see the second one, that is 10 upon 25. Now you have to see that when 25 come, in which table 25 come, like in 5 table 25 comes. So you have to write here 5 divided by 25 and 5 divided by 10. Now 5 5s are 25 and 5 2s are 10. Like this you have to complete this. Now we will see the third one, 12 upon 30. Again we will do divide. We have to see that 30 in which table come, like in 6 table, or it is come in 5 table also, but we will write in 6 table. So 6 5s are 30 and 6 2s are 12. Like this, 6 upon 10. Now in 10, in which table 10 come? In 2 table. So I have written here divided by 2. 2 5s are 10 and divided by 6, 2 3s are 6. Like this you will do the fifth one also, 21 upon 35. Like you have to see when 35 come, in which table. So I have written here in 7 table 35 come. How much are? 7 5s are 35. Like this. Here also 7 3s are 21. Like this you have to search and write the denominator, that is 5. Question number 4. From the fraction given below, pairs of the equivalent fraction. That means you have to write the equivalent fraction. Now here they have given you some fraction and you have to match this. Like here 2 upon 3, first I have written here 2 upon 3. Now I will match with, see, into 2's table 7 come? No. Into table 14 come? Yes. How much are? 2 7s are 14. But the rule is what, students? Like suppose I have written here 2 7s are. The same thing in the 3 also I have to write 2 7s are, right? So, but here the 3 7s are doesn't come 18, 21 come, right? So this is not matched, student. Only numerator is matching, but we have to see the both numerator and denominator both should match with this. Okay, now see in 2 table 15 doesn't come, so I will take the another number, that in 2 table 18 come. How much are? 2 9s are 18. Same way 2 9s are 18 na? And here 3 9s are 27. Yes, it is coming. So you will write here 2 9s are 18 and 3 9s are 27. That means this number and this number is matching with each other. So that's why I have written here equal to sign. And see the next one, I have taken 5 upon 11. You can take this, so suppose I am taking this one, 5 upon 7. So now you have to see in 5 table which number come. Yes, 15 come. How much are 5 3s are 15, but 7 3s are 33 doesn't come, so this is not match. So in 5 table 18 doesn't come. In 5 table 2 come. Yes, how much are 5 2s are 10. So here I have written 5 2s are, the same rule will be into 2 here. So 7 2s are 14. Yes, it is matching with this one. So I have written here 5 2s are 10 and 7 2s are 14. Now next we will see 5 upon 11. Now we have to see this with which number it is matching. Like your 5 3s are 15 and 11 3s are 33. Yes, it is matching, right students? So this will match with this. So here I have written it. Now same thing, 7 upon 9 I will see. That is with 7 2s are 14 and 9 2s are 18. Yes, this is matching with this. So you can take this like this. 7 2s are 14 and 9 2s are 18. Like this, like that you have to see the equivalent fraction. Now question number 5. Find two equivalent fraction of each of the following fraction. That means you have to take any table. Like suppose I have taken 2 and here I have taken 4. So you can take any table. 7 2s are 14 and 9 2s are 18. Here I have taken 4. 7 4s are 28 and 9 4s are 36. Like this. You have to make the two fractions. Now here also 4 upon 5. Here I have taken 3 table. You can take 4 table or you can take 5 table. Any table you can take. So 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15 and 4 5s are 20 and 5 5s are 25. Like this. Now see the last question. That is 3 upon 11. Here I have taken with 8 table and another 3 table. I got the two equivalent fractions. Like this you have to solve question number 5. So thank you students. In the next video I will show you the next problem set.